Hello, allow me to take you through the present continuous, and present simple too. During the previous lesson, we looked at use of the present continuous 1 and present simple 1, where we said that we use the present continuous and the present simple with state verbs, mental verbs, and performatives. Now, today, through this lesson, I want to take you through other ways in which we use the present continuous and the present simple. Number 1, we are going to say that these two tenses can be used in what we call jokes and stories. Now, when telling a story about what happened or when cracking a joke, it is easy and it is possible to use the present simple and the present continuous. For example, look at this example here in a sentence. I'm giving a story here about a man who is talking to a lady, and this is what I say. The man is wearing, this is present continuous, is wearing a hat. Okay, he goes to the stage. He goes to the stage and meets. So this is simple present tense, and meets this lady who doesn't recognize him, as she isn't wearing, this is present continuous, as she isn't wearing her glasses. Okay, so if you look at that, that's a simple story where I have a combination of the present continuous and the present simple. It is very easy, it is possible when giving a story. And you find that the present continuous is normally used in that part of the story that comprises the main idea of the story. So like the man is wearing a hat, that's to describe a man, and then the lady can't recognize this man. Why? Because she isn't wearing glasses. Now, number 2, I would like you to understand that we use the present continuous and the present simple in news reports. News reports. Now, look at this example where we can use the present continuous when giving news reports. If I say the president is visiting or referral. The president is visiting all referral hospitals. Now, this sentence is in the present continuous. Mostly you find this tense in news reports, whereby whatever is going to happen is usually highlighted in the present continuous. It's also possible to use the present simple. So this is present continuous tense. Okay. If I say a strong earthquake hits Japan, this is also in news reports. This format is used in the news reports, and this is present simple. Present simple. Okay, so it's very possible to use these two sentences in news reports. And when journalists or when news anchors are reporting, you'll find a combination of these two tenses. Now, number 3, I would like you to understand that we use the present continuous with adverbs of time, like with adverbs of time like today, this morning, this week, this year, etc. A good example is look at this example. If I say, my sister is getting married. My sister is getting married. Is getting married this year. So whenever that adverb of time comes in, we use the present continuous tense. That is to say that that is meant to happen. It is not happening at the time of speaking, but it is meant to happen. All right. Now, we use the present continuous. So remember now, this is present continuous only, which goes with adverbs of time. And I would also like you to understand that we use the present continuous with other adverbs like always, continually, to talk about characteristic behavior, or to say that something is part of somebody's behavior. For example, if I say you are always complaining, so the adverb is always, then the verb that comes after that is in its present continuous tense, and therefore that tense is usually dictated by such adverbs like always, continually. Now, if I say you are continually visiting me, so you find that the verb that comes after that is in its present continuous tense, continually doing something, always doing something. So it's possible to use the present continuous, and that goes with such adverbs: continually, always, rarely. You can also say this person is rarely doing something. So it's also possible to use the present continuous with those adverbs. So that is what I wanted you to understand through this video, and during our next lesson we shall look at the present perfect tense. Thank you very much.